बॉम्बे जो है और बॉलीवुड जो है, these are incredible places to be, but very tricky places to be. Many years ago, someone told me to get something done. I was very young then, but I sat there and I smiled and I said, absolutely not. I really love the way I look, and that's not for me. I was 14, I think. I remember I was at the NCPA, I was singing on stage that evening, got my period, and I was like, Mom, I think I've got my period. She said, okay, that's wonderful, darling. Come, I'll show you how to wear a pad. Well, now I've also become very like mufat. So I'll go up to the person and say, kya bola? And then they're like, because people don't expect me to do that. All the time on social media, I'm seeing this or that, yay or nay. This look on this one or that look on. Why? There's no comparison. They never write like that about guys. They only write like that about actresses.
Welcome Tara to the Male Feminist.
Thank
कैसी
you
हैं आप?
so much, Siddharth. मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm so excited to be here finally.
Yay! I'm just excited to be having coffee with you.
Wait. You have to cheers.
Cheers,
Chalo,
cheers, cheers,
cheers.
cheers. What a pretty human you are, man.
Thank you.
When you think of the little Tara,
Mm-hmm.
क्या सोचती हो? कैसी थी वो emotionally?
कुछ ज़्यादा ही sensitive थी. I've become a little tougher, I think, with age. It's a good thing and a bad thing also because sensitivity, it's अच्छी चीज़ होती है यार. I don't know why we all have to become so tough.
आपको safe क्या महसूस करवाता था छोटी तारा को?
जब आप अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो अपने फ्रेंड्स या फैमिली के साथ, स्पेशली मम एंड डैड के साथ, मेक्स मी फील सेफ टू दिस डे. आई एम टेलिंग यू, माय पेरेंट्स आर माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. दोनों मम एंड डैड हैव टोल्ड अस, फॉलो योर ओन पाथ, व्हाटएवर यू चूज, वी विल बैक यू.
पापा मम्मी दोनों इक्वल हाउसहोल्ड चोर्स में हाथ बटाते थे?
या माय डैड, ही इज अनलाइक एनी अदर डैड आई हैव सीन. ऐसा नहीं है कि मम हैज टू डू मम्मी टाइप थिंग्स एंड डैड हैज टू डू डैडी टाइप थिंग्स. एवरीवन शेयर्ड एवरीथिंग इन आवर हाउस. And it was very effortless. ऐसा नहीं था कि he was very like vocal about I'm doing this, see, mom's not doing this. Quite normal.
It's hygiene.
Yeah.
आप लोगों को सिखाया गया था घर के काम करने के, चोर्स करने के, झाड़ू पोछा वगैरह?
हाँ, सिखाया नहीं था. It was like very natural to us because I also I've always enjoyed doing like household things. So for me, it was quite natural.
Please expand.
Love cleaning. Obsessed with cleaning.
Are you like
Even-
OCD level cleaning?
OCD level, but like not in an annoying, weird way. Like
हाँ.
even if I go to my friend's house, I'll be like arranging the candle.
यार लड़की लोग को ये भी बड़ा बताया जाता है ना, आपको ऐसे बैठने का, इतना हंसने का,
हाँ.
इतनी आवाज में बात करने का,
Etiquette, हाँ.
ऐसे सब
हाँ.
आपको बताया गया था?
देखो, मेरी माँ जो है, she's an etiquette coach. So for me, since I was little, I've been trained in all of this. But I feel like be yourself, enjoy life, don't think too much about this stuff. And if you, I enjoy it. I like the way I'm sitting right now is actually ये गलत है. This is the correct way to sit because if I'm crossing my leg and my leg is facing you, it's rude to the person next to you.
Oh damn.
So technically, this is the right way to sit.
So then
Where
I
you're never
also should
crossing
sit like
it.
this.
Correct. Or you can cross it like this, but you can't do this. This is rude.
Ooh. जोर से हंसती थी आप हमेशा?
जब मैं क्लोज फ्रेंड्स के साथ हूँ या फैमिली के साथ, तो अभी भी आई एम रियली लाइक नॉट लाइक दिस गाइस. आई एम एक्चुअली मच मोर चिल्ड आउट देन आई थिंक समटाइम्स आई पोर्ट्रे माय सेल्फ टू बी. आई हैव दिस साइड टू मी गाइस. आई जस्ट वांट टू से,
What are you saying?
बहुत लोग जानते नहीं है, बट आई कैन रियली लाइक बिकम अ भाई. दिस इज नॉट माय भाई वाला लुक, बट आई कैन रियली गेट इनटू दैट जोन.
बैंड्रा एंड इर्द गिर्द के जीवन में पीरियड एजुकेशन स्कूल में मिल रहा था या बहन के साथ डिस्कस कर रही थी? कैसा था सीन?
स्कूल में भी, घर में भी, my mom used to sit with us and talk to us about everything.
क्या बात है?
I was in an all girls school, so it was an important
तो आप लोगों
topic
का तो
of
मतलब-
conversation. And I think friends, जो हमारी groups रहते थे, we used to discuss it. You know, when you get it for the first time, you're confused, you don't know how to feel. I was 14, I think. I remember I was at the NCPA, I was singing on stage that evening.
बाप
And I
रे।
got my period. And I remember just asking my mom, she was with me. And I was like, Mom, I think I've got my period. And she said, okay, that's wonderful, darling. Come, I'll show you how to wear a pad. It was like a sweet moment. She's like, call Nani and tell her. So I called my Nani, I told her. And it was very sweet actually. So I'm glad I had that experience as my first experience.
एंड जनरली सेट पे कभी भी आपको नेविगेट करने में मुश्किल हुई?
I think कभी कभी होता है ना कि you're maybe shooting a song or you're shooting something where you have to like look amazing, feel amazing. और जब आप पीरियड पे होते हैं, you don't really feel amazing, to be very honest. You feel bloated, you feel not your best, you're tired, you're sometimes cranky. कुछ भी हो सकता है, honestly. But होता है कभी कभी सेट पे where you don't know how to say, I need to stop, I need to take a break, I need to go to my trailer. You sometimes feel a little bit overwhelmed. तो होता है. I always talk about it very openly. Like I don't shy away from telling a director, okay, sir, I'm on my period, I'm a little bit, and at the same time, I don't want any work to suffer. So you're mindful of that. I was in Mussoorie and shooting a rain sequence, and again, my first time shooting something like that on my period. So yeah, interesting experiences as an actor when you have your period and stuff like that.
कौन सी फिल्म की बात हो रही है?
I think it was Tadap.
तो नेविगेट कर गई हैं आप?
Yeah, you have to. We're women, we navigate everything.
आप पीरियड बोलती हैं. You don't say chums or you don't say every other
No, a
word
period
possible.
is a period. You should
Yeah.
call it a period. You don't have to hide and call it any other word. Call it a period. Taboo क्यों है? I mean, it's 2026. We should be talking about everything.
कभी रास्ते चलते कोई भी अनटोवर्ड इंसिडेंट आपके साथ?
कभी-कभी होता है कि the male gaze sometimes does make you, if it's not done correctly, obviously आप uncomfortable feel हो जाओगे, but I'm lucky. I have really great people around me. I have an amazing team also. Well, now I've also become very like Mufat. So I'll go up to the person and say, like sometimes they'll video, you know, a lot of times this happens to a lot of actors. They'll just, people, khas karke like men, will be like taking a video of you from a weird angle. They'll shoot you, you know, from behind. That I wish didn't happen because there's no need for that and that's not fair. It's not like you're doing that for men. So why are you doing that for women?
बट कभी ऐसे ट्रेन बस में चलते हुए रास्ते के ऊपर चलते हुए कैट कॉल, हूटिंग, फ्लैशिंग?
See, the staring happens a lot. Bad words. But now, like I said, मैं थोड़ी मुफट बन गई हूँ. I'll go up and I'll say, क्या बोला? And then they're like, because they also, people don't expect me to do that.
एंड कभी उल्टा बोला और फिर उन्होंने बोला कुछ आपको?
सोशल मीडिया पे कभी कभी होता है. इफ आई एम स्टैंडिंग अप फॉर माई सेल्फ या किसी और के लिए मैंने अगर स्टैंड अप किया, then they respond very rudely back. So then you just have to block and remove that person because it's not worth it. We are public figures. That doesn't mean कि सब सारी चीजें can be out there and everything can be for the world to see. That's not fair.
एज अ लीड क्या आप नरेशंस में बैठी हो जहां पर आपको बोले जाते हैं मैम इतने आपके गाने हैं, ये लुक्स होंगे और ऐसा एंट्री होएगा?
Yeah, yes. I think people who say it doesn't happen, वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं, just being honest. But then you have to choose, क्या मुझे ये पिक्चर करनी है, नहीं करनी है. I have done also stuff. When I was younger, I was newer, I didn't know better. Now I know better. So I don't think that I would necessarily, and I haven't. That's also why I'm doing less work, is because I don't want to do run-of-the-mill flower pot roles. Because they don't suit me. I'd rather do less films than feel unhappy on a set और feel कि मैं यहाँ fit in नहीं हो रही हूँ.
आपने हमेशा emphasize किया है कि इंडस्ट्री में women एक दूसरे की biggest cheerleaders बननी चाहिए. Have you had like other women not be able to support the way you must have wanted yourself?
Yeah, of course it happens. Not just in this industry, in life. It happens everywhere. सबके साथ होता है. अलग-अलग careers में होता है. It's not just, of course, in our industry. My goal has always been to be the best version of myself with other women in this profession. मैं twin sister के साथ बड़ी हुई हूँ, तो for me, I don't see it as like a contest or competition. In our industry, every single actress fits a different role. I don't think you can compare anybody. Everyone is doing different work. तो ये जो comparison है, जो कभी-कभी media भी, you know, they kind of compare all of us a lot.
अगर आप किसी और के साथ लॉन्च हुई हैं तो फिर तो और ज्यादा है.
All the time on social media, I'm seeing this or that, ye or nay, this look on this one or that look on. Why? There's no comparison.
मतलब आपको एक मर्दों की लिस्ट देके पब्लिकली पूछा गया तो आप सबको स्वाइप राइट ही
But they
बोलोगी?
never do that for guys. कभी, I don't think I've seen.
मतलब boys also will also swipe
this
right.
hero या that hero. They never write like that about guys. They only write like that about actresses.
But यश इतना टॉक्सिक और ऐसा हार्ड मर्द प्ले करते हैं, क्या वो जिंदगी में मेल फेमिनिस्ट है?
Zindagi mein, I have to say he is one of the, and I really mean this, he's one of the most sensitive and genuinely he's thinking about the other person more than himself. और बहुत कम होता है हमारी इंडस्ट्री में ये देखना. It's like he's unlike anyone I've met. He is very considerate.
बट इंडस्ट्री कई बार तारा बहुत वियर्डली आपकी बॉडी पे कटाक्ष मार देती है. कभी ऐसा वाला आपको कटाक्ष मिला और आपने उसको कैसे टैकल किया?
You know, many years ago, someone told me to get something done. I was very young then. Not to do with my face, to do with my body. And I sat there and I smiled and I said, absolutely not. I really love the way I look and that's not for me. Thank you. Because Bombay jo hai or Bollywood jo hai, these are incredible places to be, but very tricky places to be. Your self-worth has to be number one in your priority list. Because when you're in this business, it's very like lonely also. तो खुद को बहुत सिखाना पड़ता है and it only comes with time.
कैसे लाती हो ये? जितनी लड़कियां देख रही हैं उनको टिप दीजिए.
Be honest with yourself first of all. Learn to change what you don't like about yourself. Ego को हटाओ. At least in my experience, I have found a lot of comfort in myself. It comes also from my stage training. You know, वो जो natural organic comfort है. I can figure out how to use my body the way I want to, depending on the situation. So I think notice yourself in videos, in photos, see what works for you. सबके लिए अलग-अलग होता है. So I can't really say anything, but find comfort in yourself. Don't be uncomfortable because there's no reason to be.
एक बहुत अच्छी चीज बोली आपने. There's an age thing that happens. So हम हमेशा
Organically that happens. I think with men and with women, right? Over time, I'm sure you'll agree.
Yeah. Prefrontal cortex development हो रही है.
Correct.
तो ऐसा 30s वाला आइटम क्या है जो कई लड़की लोग आप लोग भी डिस्कस करती होंगी?
I think 30s में, and I just turned 30, I think you have a lot of clarity about most things. And आपको पता चलता है what you don't want. In your early 20s and before, you might be confused. ऐसा होता है ना कि you just don't know because you've also not experienced. I think experiences, there's a lot to be said about experiences. So have the experiences, go through what you need to go through. It teaches you a lot. Like, I'm really excited about my 30s. All my friends who are in their 40s tell me the 30s are the best time.
अच्छा चलिए कुछ आखिरी क्वेश्चन जो हमारे स्टैंडर्ड होते हैं. फेमिनिज्म आपके लिए क्या है?
Feminism, equality है और कुछ नहीं है. We don't need to complicate it. Feminism is being fair. Feminism is about equality.
I agree. I think इस कम्युनिटी को उगना जरूरी है क्योंकि फेमिनिज्म का फालतू में ना एक अलग ही
wrong narrative,
गलत नुआंस पे चले गए हैं लोग.
Correct.
It's also scary ना when a girl gives it back. Suddenly you've lost that power where you had the room or the authority.
Good, high time. The power can be shared.
Green flags के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं फिर.
Okay.
मर्दों के.
Okay.
What are you now looking at if you're looking at men?
Clarity.
They should have clarity.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Clarity is so hot. Clarity is so attractive.
जिंदगी के बारे में.
खुद के बारे में, जिंदगी के बारे
Ideals.
में. And even lack of clarity sometimes is good, but just be
बता
honest
दो.
about it.
हाँ, उसके ऊपर
वही
clarity.
है, वही है. You know, जब हम young होते हैं ना, we don't understand the importance of that word. And as we get older and we go through our friendships, our relationships, even family relationships, I have realized the worth of that word, honesty. Yeah, that's a really big green flag. Transparency, honesty, knowing yourself. Just know yourself. It's the best. And I think a lot of women will agree. If you know yourself, your relationship with everybody is much better and easier.
Intense.
है ना?
हाँ. और ये dating app वगैरह try नहीं किया?
No. I'm very old fashioned.
You have a famous people one also. The Raya.
So I don't know.
No?
So sorry.
No.
I'm like, I
FOMO?
live in the 60s.
तो ऐसा 60s में बार पे आप खड़ी हैं ऐसे कर्ली हेयर बाल
Like in Toxic.
लाइक टॉक्सिक. तो क्या बोले लड़का आके आपको क्या रिझाएंगी?
Something funny. Sense
Funny?
of humor, so attractive. Something funny about himself or laugh at himself. Best.
खलास. अब बंदा लोग जो आके आपके ऊपर. But will you be at a bar alone? No.
I go to this place in Bandra called Soul Fry.
खलास.
Karaoke bar.
मुझे ये बताओ कि 16 साल की खुद को एक एडवाइस होता तो क्या देती?
Don't be so scared. थोड़ा आराम करो, chill. इतना सोचो मत. Relax. And don't be so shy. Yeah, I think that's what I would tell myself.
फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी कितनी पाई हुई हो?
You know, I'm lucky because my dad really helps me with that. It's very important to know everything about your bank work, your paperwork, how to really take care of your finances as a woman. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ to try and understand as much as I can, but I have a learning disability, a maths learning disability.
What is it called?
Called dyscalculia. I try, but more often than not, I make a mistake. So I need my team. I have my, accounts team and all of that. They look into everything.
कहाँ का इन्वेस्ट करती हो?
Well, I have a diverse portfolio. Please notice how I'm saying this. But I'm learning as I go. I think I also these are conversations I have with my friends who have a good understanding of this, who've invested smartly and well. I love homes and I love investing in that.
Bandra?
Everywhere.
Huh.
Why are you saying it like that? Bandra? Yeah, of course Bandra. I'm from Bandra.
तो ऐसा
Yeah.
Bandra वाला bougie चीज़ है तो हम
Of course. I live there. I have my own home now.
Hey,
and
congratulations,
thank
girl.
you.
Good stuff.
Thank you.
क्या चीजें मर्दों को औरतों को बोलनी बंद कर देनी चाहिए?
First of all, people need to stop talking about women's weight. Because we don't speak about men in the same way. Why are we constantly, you know, so many women also, when they meet another girl, looking so nice, lost so much weight, huh? Why would you comment on someone's body? Don't do it. It's not a nice thing. Say something else. What a lovely smile you have.
Yeah.
क्या लग रही है यार? Say that. Why are you saying?
You can be Bombaya also.
Say na. You know, sometimes I've noticed, and it's not all the time, कभी-कभी होता है, that there's a slight gossipy nature. Not all women, very few women, but that's something I wish that women would stop doing. Like, you know, nice to the person's face, but kind of mean
ये तो
behind their back.
इक्वालिटी की बात कर रहे हैं तो लड़का लोग भी वैसे ही है. I think it's a
Guys,
people
please
thing.
stop. Like, please stop. It is not a good look.
It's a people thing.
It's a people thing.
बहुत सुंदर. कैसा लगा आपको मेल फेमिनिस्ट करके?
It's so much fun. I've been wanting to do this for a long time.
Yay! Thank you so much for being on the Male Feminist. मेरा नाम है सिद्धार्थ आलम मैन. Signing off.